Going up the hill. Going up the hill, Pinky, like we used to. I used to carry you on my side or put you in the rear rack so we wouldn't exhaust too much battery. We'd just walk up the hill. Those were good times, Pinky. We probably rode over 3,000 miles on this bike together. When we first got the electric bike, we used to ride every day to Shorty Howell and back. We had so much fun. We both did. I remember when you decided to see how it'd feel to jump off the rear rack. You ended up scratching your nose. And I told you never to do it again, and you never did. You were such a good friend. Loyal dog. Your Harmony told me about what happened Thursday, the day you were really sick when I was at work. When the stranger came in to use the bathroom. Even though you were so sick you could barely open your eyes. I heard that you were barking fiercely, trying to protect the house. That's the kind of loyal companion you were, Pinky. Fierce protector of the house. And I'll always remember that. How you loved us so much that even though you were sick, you would lay your life down to protect the house from strangers. That's the way you were, Pinky. Alright, we're up the hill now. Let's ride through a little bit more. I know you can see me going up the hill where we used to go. This slight hill that we're going up now toward the bridge. We used to love walking through this bridge. I heard they're having a picnic today, so we can't go to the pavilion, but we can ride through there a little bit. At least down this bridge. Where we used to ride. They're having some kind of a picnic, but this is the pavilion that we got caught in the rain. Let's walk past the bridge again, or ride through the bridge again, and then we'll have a seat where we used to sit. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off again, Pinky, so I could start another video. Can't go too long. on YouTube. Alright, I'll talk to you in a bit.